What's up, y'all? I'm Sakaria, also known as Karia Fi. I'm back getting better. Hey, I'm back getting better, and today I'm coming to you guys with another wash and go. Okay, period. I just washed my hair, conditioned, deep conditioned, or whatever. So I used the Cantu shampoo, conditioner, and I use a Texture ID's deep treatment mask because I don't have another deep conditioner in my bathroom, so that's the only one that I have. And then I also use the leave-in conditioning repair cream. Looks like this is a big old bottle, y'all. So yeah, y'all, I have low porosity hair, so I like to let that really soak in. And I got that tip from Kimberly Sherrill, I think that's how you pronounce her name, on YouTube, and she has a similar hair texture as mine, and we both have low porosity hair. The coconut curling cream, I used to love this stuff for my braid out. It looks like this. I'm really going to be using this Define and Shine Custard, which when I first got it I was like, what the heck? And y'all, it was filled up to the top. I barely use it, so I don't understand how it's like barely some in there. I think I let somebody borrow it. But yeah, I'm going to be using this today, which is like the main focus. Using the Eco Solid Gel. This is my like OG, okay? I can't go without this stuff. I also have the tea tree and jojoba and hair and scalp oil, which I use this regularly. And I have extra hold stay gel for perfect sleek smooth styles and ponytails. Yeah, I tried this. That's what it looked like. Yeah, this one's probably not gonna work, but I haven't tried it in a long time, so it might work. I know y'all see them curls popping. Hey, I know y'all see them curls popping. I'm gonna do like sections like this. This is the curling cream. Just gonna put that in my hair, and my hair feels really cold, so I have to really work the product in there. Especially if you have like low porosity hair, make sure you work that product in there. Like, don't just do like this and then be done. Like, you have to really like get it in there. Maybe I should try the shingling method, but I don't know. And I do like work with sections like this, you know. And shingling just takes too long, y'all. So I'm not gonna be shingling my hair because I just do the raking method. It says shingling does like, y'all, do y'all see that? Ah, hold on. Hold on. Okay, Custard, come through. Come through, Custard. Y'all, I'm sorry I look ashy. It's not my fault. That looks really good. Hold on. This is with product, without product. Just curling cream. So yeah, that custard really did do some good defining for my hair. And I did not expect that. So that's actually good, you know? Yes, come through type 4 hair, period. It looks so good. I'm so hyped. Ah! Alright, y'all. So I'm actually going to be coming back to you guys whenever I have this side done. And then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do this side. And just going to go with the blow. Look, I'm hyped, y'all. Y'all don't understand. The custard is really coming through. You know, like my curls are already separated. Like, with this little custard. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, y'all, I am done with this side of my hair. Yeah, I'm done with this side of my hair. I don't know how to feel about this. I honestly do not know how to feel about this custard, you know what I'm saying, for a wash and go. But of course I have to like show you guys whenever it's dry, whenever I pick it through and all that other stuff and fluff it out. Yo, but this is what it's looking like. This side of my hair is like a looser curl. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know if the Eco Styler and the Cantu mixed really well with it. I'm just gonna let y'all be the judge of it. My hair feels really soft. For my hair has never been this separated. Hope you guys can see what I'm looking at, okay? But I need to make sure I put the gel on my roots because I forget to do that. I don't know why, but I do. Prayer hands. Prayer hands. Y'all, do y'all hear that? My hair looks very pretty. I'm in love with it. Okay. So yeah, this is my hair after I did the last section. And my hair is really fluffy. Like, it is bouncy. My hair has never been this bouncy. What's up, y'all? Okay, so my hair is like, I want to say 75 to 80% dry. Okay, it's just like the roots. Okay, everything else is pretty much dry. And y'all, look at my hair. Look at the definition. What? Do y'all see that? I can't even. I'm gonna put my hair. Let me my phone down real quick. Do y'all see the definition, y'all? Like, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Do y'all see that? Hopefully y'all can. If y'all can't, be so upset. Hold on. Boom. I think it'll work. I'm loving the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. I might want to buy me some more custards, you know what I'm saying, to go for my wash and goes, because I never thought that was what it was for. I never really thought it could be defining my curls like this. And of course, the Eco Styler had something a little bit, you know, to do with it, you know, but yeah, I love my hair. My hair, it's like really giving me these elongated curls, which I never get. I try to make sure that I put like gel in my roots because I always forget to do that. So yeah, would I try that again as a combo? Yes. I thought the products wouldn't mix well, but they actually did mix pretty well. My hair feels really soft. It feels really like bouncy. I'm gonna have to revisit Cantu because like I know the reason why I fell in love with it. Y'all see my hair. Y'all see this type for hair, honey. Period. It's beautiful. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down below other combos that you guys would like me to try, other product lines that you guys would like me to try, your favorite products so I can like try them or whatever. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.